Every piece that comes in the shop is valuable to the person bringing it in. I'm Andy, I'm the owner of Framers Warehouse in Mona Vale, Sydney's Northern Beaches. Framers Warehouse does premium bespoke framing of all kinds, from family photos to high-end art to collectibles and sporting memorabilia. Originally was in the corporate world, but in my mid-50s I had a little heart issue, so I needed to find something else to do, and the opportunity to buy this store came up, and it seemed to tie all my pieces together. The best backstories usually have objects attached to them. We have a ballet school directly across the road. The owner of that school came in one day with a tutu. It was the first performance tutu of a student, and the school was going to frame it and give it back to the student at her farewell party as she left to join the Royal Ballet in London. That's a fabulous story for a piece of clothing. I like the Tyro system because it's integrated. I can use it easily in the shop. I can check daily takings on my phone when I'm at home. I've saved quite a lot of money in fees. Over the years, we have saved thousands. With a Tyro bank account, I get settlement every day. Weekend payments, no problem. If we're open and we're taking payments, we've got access to the money same day. And when a big bill comes in, I use the Tyro Business Loan as a cash flow management tool. It's great to be able to work with the sorts of artworks and collectibles we get to work with, and I'm really excited about doing it going forward.